Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential accessories for any baby walker, the best baby walker wheels replacement. If your little one's walker is in need of an upgrade or if those old wheels have started to wear down, this replacement set is just what you need. These wheels come in a set of 4, each with a smooth, plastic construction, designed to provide quiet and effortless gliding. No more noisy, rough rides for your child. These wheels glide smoothly over most surfaces, ensuring a quiet experience as your little one takes their first steps. With a stem diameter of 0.4 inches and a wheel size of 2 inches, these wheels are compatible with most baby walkers, but always make sure to check the size of your walker's stem before purchasing. Installation is a breeze. There's no need for tools, simply remove the old wheels and push the stem of the new wheels into the socket. You'll have your walker back in action in no time. Whether it's carpet, tile, or hardwood floors, these wheels make the process easier and safer for your baby, ensuring they won't get tangled in rugs or scratch the floor. What really sets these wheels apart is their durability. They're wear resistant, so you won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. They absorb shock and provide a more stable base, ensuring your baby's safety while they explore their world. Plus, they are easy to clean, keeping the walker looking fresh and ready for use. So, if you're looking to revive your baby walker, this replacement set is a great option. Smooth, quiet, and simple to install, it's everything you need to keep your walker rolling smoothly and safely. Make sure to check out the full details on Amazon to see if these wheels are a perfect fit for your baby walker. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with another great review.